Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to give you a look at our Fleming 8ft Superfloat Topper. Okay, so it's an 8 foot, stamped 2025. This machine here in particular is actually going out to a customer today, but we will keep a fair stock of them, or we can order them in upon a customer's request if so. Okay, so the horsepower required on this would be around 80 horsepower. So any tractor around an 80 or above will power this machine, no problem at all. So it is 8 foot, twin rotor, and it has 8 blades on it also. Gearbox rating sitting around 70%, or 70 horsepower actually. It does also have your overrun shaft and shear bolt protection against an impact also. It is Superfloat of course, so it will go the whole way around. We do also, as I said, this one is going out to a customer today, but we do also keep a stock of these as well. Heavy duty gearbox is also fitted on it. Then obviously your PTO shafts is up there. Handy machine, so most farmers will have a tractor around an 80 or 100 horsepower, so almost any tractor will run that. It is a fairly versatile machine, so if you are in the need of a topper, I would recommend going for a machine as high a spec as this, because it is a fantastic implement. So if you are interested, you can give myself or any other sales guys a call on 083 131 5178. Deliveries nationwide, finance can also be arranged. And look, we will consider trade-ins, so if you did have a topper or an implement at all that you do fancy trading in, again, we will consider it. We won't say no to you. Okay, so do subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the bell notification. So as I said before, we are doing videos in the whole yard here and giving walkthroughs of whatever tractor, implement, machine, topper, baler, anything at all. So exactly like that used major cyclone as well, M6s, Mikkel, F5500, whatever takes your fancy, I will do a video walkthrough of it if you are keen and interested in it. But for now, we are sticking to this Fleming Superfloat Topper. So if you are interested in it, do give us a shout.